Today we're walking along the old KVR rail line through Coquihalla Summits, which was abandoned 50 years ago. We're going to explore and see if any of it remains today.
Where?
No, we need some signs of train life. Construction and then maintenance of the Kettle Valley Railway through the Coquihalla subdivision was incredibly difficult. After a washout in 1959, the rail line through here was never used again. Oh, that's a good omen. There's another good omen. Oh, something cool's coming up. How does it look? Sketchy?
Not too bad.
Look at this, all the support beams in here were wood. Hey, there's probably some pretty loose rock up there.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is so creepy. We never did solve the mystery of the dates at the entrances of the tunnels. They seem all over the place, anywhere from 1941 to 51. But it did become our game to try to guess what the next one would be.
Oh, I see light!
No!
Yes! You might be able to get through.
Is that a smart idea?
See what year this says.
Yeah.
What's your guess? 39, right?
I will be optimistic and say 1941. Don't tell me.
43.
43, so the same year.
Yeah.
This is beautiful with the moss.
Yeah, it's all squishy.
Preserved section of the railway bed. Is that a railway thing?
Yeah.
All right, another tunnel. 1941, so this is 10 years before, just a couple kilometers back there. 10 years of working in this pretty treacherous landscape. What?
Doesn't that sound weird?
That is crazy.
I know, it like resonates like a robot.
Just 2 timbers left. Oh man, this is dangerous coming down here. Hey, raspberries. The beautiful Bridal Veil Falls is surely the same as it always has been. This sadly isn't the case for the Falls Creek trestle below it. After years of decay, it finally collapsed in 1995. Another 25 years hasn't been kind either. This is all that remains today. Wood from bridges and embankments litters the sides of slopes all around this area. Nowadays, just up from the old KVR line, we take it all for granted as we fly past on the Coquihalla Highway.